Here's how to create a retro 60s inspired half up, half down look. We're going to be using roughly half a pack of Cliphair's seamless clip-in hair extensions in the shade Dark Auburn to achieve this stunning look. Blow out your hair with a styling balm of your choice, and then next work through with a medium tong to create a sexy and sultry simple movement. I added a small Velcro roller to the fringe area to create some retro height and movement. Because half of your hair will go up, I added roughly half a pack of seamless clip-in extensions working at the back up to about the top of the ears. A little hack for you guys is that a mini crimper around the crown area creates the perfect base for easy back combing for your baby beehive. Once fully teased, a little shake out and pinning the height into place with twists for added effect. Accessories are my favourite. I chose a tortoiseshell slide to complement this, a little tussle of the fringe after the roller has cooled, and some texturising spray to finish. A baby beehive fit for a party.